But I don't use this for, I mean, sometimes I take pictures, but I have, like a regular digital camera that I use, and I can switch lenses, so I can do like really wide angle. When we go back to my house, I'll take my camera out and show you. So, but this one's okay. I mean, I made a lot of videos with it. If you're shooting indoors, you need a lot of light though. So you have, I don't know what kind of, I think your apartment has a lot of windows, so it should be okay in your apartment.
So you are not recommended to use this one when
good.
I need to take real estate property pictures.
For real estate property pictures, this one, when you film, it's going to curve the picture, so you can tell it. Yeah, because that's for like people running and stuff like that.
Active, like extreme.
Yeah, like just anything. You're taking pictures of your dog. So you can get a lot of information in it.
Yeah.
But what you can do is you can. It's called de-warp, where it makes everything a little curved.
Distortion?
Well, it does it because this lens is so small, it curves the picture.
Yeah, distortion.
Yeah, distortion. So it makes like a straight line. In the middle, it'll be straight, but as it goes away, it will curve to the sides.
I can fix that with Adobe Photoshop and
Premiere.
Right.
Here's my train.
Oh, good.
So this is how but you can also do it on the camera as you're shooting it. It will de-warp it, so it will make everything straight. So it can fix it, and you won't have to do it as a filter. Because sometimes when you do it in Premiere, it loses resolution.
So when I take a video, so what about the best setting?
Oh, it's set to the highest resolution. Oops. It can take 4 hours worth of videos. The difference between a camera and this is it can record for hours, and it won't get too hot, But if you're using this, it does it for 20 minutes. So you can only do it like this one. You could set up, and if you get a power supply, you can plug in a power supply. Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
Yes.
And I used to have one, I just can't find it. And this, you could plug it in for forever and just leave it recording and recording and recording forever.
That works for live streaming?
You could do this for live streaming too, because it has right here is HDMI. So you could do HDMI into your computer will have an HDMI port, and it will be able to go in here. This will download the files to your computer. That's just a regular USB, and it says USB. HDMI, that's the mini HDMI. And then there's a micro HDMI, which these things use. So, but I mean, I know a little bit about the GoPro, but this one I know a lot about because I did a lot of research on it, and you can get a lot of accessories for it.
Yes. I heard many times about this camera information by the YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I did. As I looked at YouTube, and then I looked at and I looked at the GoPro and this is $200 more, and I'm poor, so I don't want to spend too much money. So
because you have a job, that's why you are not eligible to get a government grant.
So I should quit my job so I can buy a GoPro. Yeah.
Okay.
But the GoPro there's probably 10 times as many of these than this. So more people buy this than this one. But DJI, the company makes this. These guys are famous for making the drones, the things that fly around. So that's DJI makes this one. So
I bought a drone 1 month ago, but
really?
It was broken. Yes.
So you send back?
No,
it's still
China.
broken. Oh, so you're not sending it back to China?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I buy stuff I buy accessories like this kind of stuff all the time from China.
Yeah.
And it usually works okay.
At the time, because the price is too cheap, it is useless. Even though I can get a refund,
right?
The price is too low.
Well, what they say is the drones. They make two different types. They make drones that they sell in China, and then they make drones that they sell outside of China. And the ones that sell outside of China's are better.
Yes.
Yeah, they don't break.
That's why I choose this one.
Yeah.
Except this one.
Well, yours is better. Yours is a better camera. It's just it's a lot more expensive, you know. And I'll probably break this after a while, you know, because I'm very clumsy and I just use it a lot. You know, like I take it up there and I make videos and I drop it and all that other stuff. So you're more careful. So get the better camera, you know. But for me, I know I'm going to break this, so that's why I got this metal case for it. So.
I like it. Ready.
This one you can't have.
Oh, really?
No, that's because I don't. This one's too cheap. I don't like this one.
Yeah, it's like a kit, accessory kit.
Yeah.
I order accessory kit. It includes 20 items, but everything is like that.
Yeah, junk. Yeah.
Yes.
That's okay. But the thing is these kind of things. That's what you need. These little brackets.
Yes.
This is the stuff that you use this for. Because you probably got like 10 of these, right? That's what your money is. This is junk. You know.
I didn't expect my GoPro 9 doesn't include memory chip, so I didn't order same time.
Oh, okay.
That's why when I set up this one, I realized I don't have a memory chip, memory card, so I ordered yesterday.
It's so funny because we left this one on. I had an extra one of these memory chips, so this I'm giving you. I have like 10 of these, but this is the big one. No, it's too big. This is just the standard size. You need micro SD. So the micro SD is like that. It's like that big. It's like little. It's very tiny. Yeah.
So mine is right. I sent to you.
256. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I mean that's probably more than you need, but it's what was it? $10 more, $15 more. They're not that much more expensive. You know, so I got this one probably 4 years ago, and that's 64. Yeah, but I've never filled this up. 64 gig is a lot of. That's like 4 hours worth of videos. You know.
Yeah, once I bought a junk drone. I don't want to experience the same thing like that.
Yeah. So you buy good ones.
Yeah.
Hey, but your drone, doesn't your drone have a memory card in it?
I didn't think about that. Maybe
it probably does.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe you can take that one out because the drone is using the smallest camera it can fit in there.
Yes.
So which means it probably uses. So you probably have in there a 16 or a 32 gig card. So hey, look how long my hair is. It's very long.
Yeah, I can cut you.
No, you're not cutting my hair.
Why? I cut myself.
I know, but I don't want to. You're very pretty, but I don't want to look like you. So anyway. All right.
Yeah.
So now you have a new camera. So if you want, there's a waterfall over there. It's very pretty if you want to take some pictures.
Yeah, sure.
But the dogs, you have to keep them on a tight leash because it's the woods.
What does it mean?
Woods means like, you see how there's grass here? No grass.
No grass.
So it's just like
concrete. Concrete ground. Like
no ground. It's just
like a stone.
Stone and dirt and leaves. It's like you never.
Pepper.
Maybe.
Oh yeah.
You know, but
doesn't matter.
In English, trail.
Trail.
It has a trail.
Oh yeah.
And it's okay, but
sure.
but you have to keep the dogs close.
I see.
They can't go running off to the side because I mean they can, but
yeah, we can.
okay, all right.